What's going on, guys? JSGC here, and we're here on the MixedSid channel. Today we're going to be making the Manchester City Slush, so let's dive right into it. So all we're going to be doing, we're going to be using our blender here today, so we're just going to be filling our blender up. So first thing we need to do is fill this with some ice. And first, we're going to put in some Sprite. You can use any lemonade-based drink if you wanted to. We're going to be using Sprite, and I'm going to put in 100 ml. Why not? Come in, MixedSid, come in. We're using the personalised JSGC established 2016 jigger.
Very nice.
First time I've managed to get it used onto your channel. And there's 60, there's my remaining 40. I may need to mess with the ingredients. In fact, I'm improvising. I'll put a bit more Sprite in. There we go, that'll do, why not? And next we've got the Manchester City Vodka, which is the Bohemian brand. But very interesting, this Man City Vodka is official merchandise just on there. So it is,
but for, like I said, fun fact, you can't find that on Manchester City's official website. No. So I've tried. And
we're going to put in, again we'll experiment. I'll start with 60, and if I feel like we need a little bit more, I'll put a little bit more in. There's our 60. Should change the colour. I'm going to put in a little bit more, about 40, there we go. Why not? So what we want to do next is get our blender lid. Make sure that's nice and secure. We don't want any accidents on that. There we go. Fabulous. Let's get it into the blender, all locked in. We'll get it onto a max blend. Let's blend right into it. So, the blending all done. Let's strain it into our glass. There we go, got a really nice slush on that. Really nice.
I think I need to invest some more.
Oh, cost me an arm and a leg.
I can imagine.
An arm and a leg. Rightio, guys, let's strain this in. And we've got a really nice light colour to it.
It's beautiful.
Really nice colour to that. Nice and refreshing. Let's pop a straw in. Nice blend this. How does it taste? Oh wow. The flavours really combined very well. The Sprite helped it not to be too overpowering with the vodka. Often with vodka tasting drinks and slushes, the vodka can be the dominating taste there, but there's a really nice balance and mixture there. But that's really nice and refreshing. I'm very happy with how that's turned out. Very happy. So guys, that is the Manchester City Slush. I do hope you did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe over to the MixedSid channel. We've got plenty more drinks and plenty more videos planned for you guys to look forward to, which you'll see MixedSid and myself featuring in. So do go and stay tuned for that and subscribe. All details are in the description, and we'll see you very soon for the next video. So I've been JSGC featuring here on the MixedSid channel. Peace. Ciao for now. Cheers.